Meeting Gifford complete with a slow 101, but a fast 202. 104 on lead. This train is going to be flying through Sebastian in very patriotic colors, I might say. Oh, man. Remind you of red, pearl, and blue. Look at both of these locomotives. Wow. Patriotic, I say, patriotic. Hello. Bouncing over the switch. Midwest ethanol transport. Wow. Nice train, nice. Out of Sebastian just like that. Wasting no time at all. Woo-wee! EOT at 6:37. BBT 609 here. County Road 512 West. Wow. You guys are now YouTube famous. Kelsey and Shayna, they're crazy. They're nuts. I don't know how she obtained her driver's license. But anyway, here at 512 West, here near the switch, milepost 214.9. Have a safe trip to Eminem, Mike and Mark, 101, and to the crew of 202. You guys, you all have a safe trip. Yes, yes. Look, listen, and live. Out.